High-absorption dietary supplement liquid sachet packaging machinery is manufactured by Shanghai FUBO Packaging Machinery Company. This machine integrates bag forming, dosing, filling, sealing, counting, and date coding into one fully automatic process. The PLC controller enables adjustable bag length and allows operators to easily monitor output alarms, speed, and quantity via a single control interface. The machine can be equipped with a date coder to print 1 to 3 lines of information, such as production date and expiry date, as required.